Hi, welcome to this computer science tutorial. Today I'm going to cover how to use Time Machine for those of you that have Macs. It allows you to back up your data in case your computer breaks or something goes wrong, you can just return to it without losing anything. So how to access Time Machine? Just go up here to this little symbol in here, and from here you can enter Time Machine if it's already set it up. However, if it's not, you can go to Open Time Machine Preferences, and here you can set it on off. On will automatically do a backups and off won't, obviously. You can select your disk, your external hard drive that you're gonna use for Time Machine. It's important to notice that if you select a hard drive for Time Machine, that hard drive can only and exclusively be used for Time Machine. It can't store anything else. Alright, once you have your hard drive set up, if you just plug it, it takes some time to recognize it, so in the meantime let's go over the options. Here you can exclude certain items. For example, I have Bootcamp, so I want to exclude Bootcamp from my backups. If you don't, if you want to delete it, just go here and it will include it in the backups. And here you can say that you want to back it up even if it's not plugged in, if it's a laptop and such. The way Time Machine works is that it keeps backing up and stores as many as it can on the external hard drive, and once there's not extra space, it overwrites the oldest ones. Once you have Time Machine and you have a hard drive that has a couple copies, you can enter Time Machine like this. If you're on the desktop, it will open the desktop, and this is your desktop in different periods of time. Same for any folder, so if we go here, for example, see all these files, I can see how this folder looked a while ago. So if I go to March, right here, notice how the folder is different. This is how this folder was exactly in March. So you could go ahead and restore it if you wanted. Let's say for public, for example, we want to restore this folder, it will do it. We could also restore, like if you go here to your main hard drive, you can restore like your user folder, I could restore that whole folder and such. Now, what does this mean? This shows you the backups, but if they're pink, that means they're on the hard drive and your hard drive is plugged in. And if they're gray, this is called a local snapshot. And let's say you go on a trip and you don't take your external hard drive with it, but you're still creating new photos, new files. Well, what Time Machine does, it creates some copies. It creates some backups that you can't see, but it stores them in free space on your computer. And when you plug in the hard drive, the external hard drive with your Time Machine backup, it will upload all those files. So you always have sort of a small Time Machine version on your computer's hard drive in case something goes wrong while you're on vacations and you don't have your external hard drive. In case you ever like your hard drive goes boom and you need to completely restore the system, this will also work. Just when you're starting your Mac, you press Alt and it will, while the external hard drive is plugged in, and that will allow you to restore your system completely. So you will have your computer exactly as it was on, let's say, August or March. And that's going to be it for this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you next time.